Natalakay na po natin ang tungkol sa relasyon ng mga hayop sa ating buhay at kung paano natin malalaman ang ating spirit o power animal na gumagabay sa atin dito sa mundo. Ngayon naman po ay aalamin natin kung ano ang kahulugan, katangian at koneksyon nito sa ating buhay. Ilalahad ko ang ilang prominenteng spirit animal, symbolism and meaning dito. Kung paano ito nakaka-resonate at nakakaapekto sa ating pag-uugali, pakikitungo at pakikipagsapalaran sa lifetime na ito.
Sa ating mundo, ang lahat ng buhay ay patuloy lang sa paglalakbay. Iba't ibang karanasan man ang ating tinatahak, may hatid na aral sa ating tumatatak. Nagpapalago at nagpapaunlad ng ating spiritualidad. Tayo na't gumising sa kawalan. Tuklasin ang Mahiwagang Buwan.
Narito ang mga kahulugan at simbolismo ng spirit animals na mas common nating nakakaengkwentro at nakakaugnayan sa ating buhay upang tayo ay gabayan at samahan sa ating paglalakbay sa mundong ito. 75 spirit animal meanings and symbolism, positive at negative traits, in alphabetical order. Ant o langgam, diligence, unity, patience, self-control, sacrifice, loyalty, and honesty. Alligator o buwaya, retribution, creativity, efficiency, hostility, bravery, and efficiency. Buffalo o kalabaw, divine o sagrado, lakas, balanse, pasasalamat, kayamanan, at katatagan. Bat o paniki, ego, challenge, takot, matalas na pagmamasid o vigilance, inner depth o malalim na pananaw, ilusyon, at clairvoyance. Bear o oso, power, katapangan, pangunawa, kapayapaan, majestic, aggressive, solitude. Bee o bubuyog, communication, love, success, wisdom, wealth, hard work, protection, at purity. Black swan, empathy, freedom, joy, dignity, loyalty, and exposition o paglalahad. Butterfly o paru-paro, joy, romance, celebration, transformation, spirituality, creativity, and peace. Bluebird, flexibility, innovative, kindness, thankfulness, togetherness, and glory. Bull o toro, fertility, expressive, strength, courage, procurement, at pagmamadali. Camel, endurance, trust, commitment, determination, focus, humility, patience, and durability. Chameleon o hunyango, transformation, sensitivity, and clairvoyance. Cheetah, mabilis na pag-iisip, passion, flexibility, quick-witted, freedom, progress, and protection. Cat o pusa, magic, curiosity, affection, observational skills, secretive o malihim, supernatural, and mystery. Cuckoo bird, flexibility, love, fortune, balance, shrewdness o katalinuhan, and insightfulness. Crane, isolated, integrity, endurance, attentive, self-reliant, and wisdom. Crow o uwak, magical, fearless, adaptability, manipulative, wisdom, and transformation. Deer o usak, love, generosity, elegance, grace, compassion, caring, safety, and determination. Dove o kalapati, purity, gentleness, devotion, hope, love, communication, peace, and sacrifice. Dog o aso, loyalty, bravery, friends, affection, protection, communication, patience, and devotion. Dolphin, harmony, defensive, assistance, resurgence o muling pagkabuhay, lively, and strength. Dragon, transformation, defensive, motivational, authoritative, magical, and strength. Dragonfly o tutubi, transformation, lively, flexibility, connection, emotional, and illusionary. Eagle o agila, goal-oriented, focused, adventurous, resilient, vision, power, and freedom. Elephant, strength, loyalty, determination, confidence, honor, pride, dignity, and royalty. Falcon, goal-oriented, fearless, authoritative, freedom, intelligence, and victory. Flamingo, balance, goal-oriented, clear-sightedness, love, power, and happiness. Fox, witty, wisdom, luck, cleverness, curiosity, cunning, adaptability, and playfulness. Frog, transformation, sensitivity, peace, fertility, cleansing, rebirth, and power. Goat, firmness, self-reliant o maabilidad, isolated, vigor o masigla, alert, and strength. Grasshopper o tipaklong, good faith o magandang kapalaran, wealth, innovative, visionary, dynamic, and progressive. Giraffe, individuality, intelligence, peace, farsightedness, cleverness, gentleness, and patience. Goose, joy, bravery, guidance, fertility, loyalty, reliability, teamwork, vigilance, and wisdom. Griffin, wealth, divine power, and heavenly protection, loyalty, strength. Hawk o lawin, vision, alertness, nobility, cleansing, goal-oriented, strength, creativity, and courage. Hippopotamus, strength, protection, wisdom, hardworking, fertile, and balance. Horse, freedom, adventurous, mobility, independence, friendship, and endurance. Heron, independent, balance, calm, intrusive, multitasking, self-determined. Hummingbird, flexibility, love, wisdom, hope, healing, ability, ecstasy, and aggression. Inchworm o caterpillar, logical, transformation, subtlety, concealment, and transmutation. Jellyfish, faith, transparency, illumination, acceptance, sensitivity, protection, and intention. Jaguar, power, loyalty, speed, strength, grace, knowledge, fertility, and rejuvenation. Ladybug, good faith, true love, innocence, metamorphosis o pagbabagong anyo, pious intervention, and illusionary. Lion, pride, courage, power, natural-born leaders, authority, dignity, wisdom, and fiery. Lizard, imagination, spirituality, sensitivity, adaptability, ego, intrusion o panghihimasok, and quick-witted. Mermaid, independence, playfulness, feminine energy, good luck, wisdom, and insight. Monkey, bold, confident, social, compassionate, playful, aggressive, creative, and rebellious. Mosquito, persistence, feminine, agility, direction, detection, self-confidence, and blunt. Mouse, stealth, modesty, understanding, dishonest, grounded, eye for details o meticuloso, and innocence. Ox, sacrifice, monogamy, grounded, longevity, strength, and loyalty. Owl, wisdom, secret keeper, freedom, comfort, stealth, vision, protection, and deception. Panda, adaptability, balance, determination, willpower, diplomacy, inner sight, and solitude. Panther, courage, valor, power, protective, aggressive, and feminine. Peacock, beauty, knowledge, self-esteem, foresight, endurance, royalty, love, and sexuality. Pegasus, strength, virility or healing, bravery, courage, and using energy wisely. Penguin, community-minded, grace, discipline, confidence, sacrifice, spiritual, and determination. Phoenix, spiritual growth, not only in overcoming adversity, but in rising with a heightened sense of self-awareness. Ibig ding sabihin, hindi lang sa pag-overcome ng kahirapan at pagsubok, kundi sa pagbangon na may mas mataas na kamalayan sa sarili. Rabbit, creativity, prosperity, intensity, love, cleverness, sensitivity, harmony, and imagination. Ram, aloof, sensitive, hardworking, anxious, visionary, and transformation. Rhinoceros, intelligence, isolated, decisive, endurance, liberated, and insightfulness. Raccoon, confidentiality, illusionary, bravery, empathic, versatility, and protection. Rooster o tandang, fearless, unique, intimacy, ego, non-conformity, and intrusive. Salamander, healing, purification, and transformation. Snake or serpent, impulsive, power, shrewdness, transformation, magic, fear, wisdom, and healing. Swan, purity, love, beauty, power, elegance, devotion, calmness, and balance. Spider, patience, creativity, protection, growth, aptitude, networking, balance, and wisdom. Sheep, compassion, peace, purity, courage, progress, level-headed, and humble. Squirrel, playful, social, balance, passionate, trust, hardworking, and resourcefulness. Tiger, valor o lakas ng loob, power, pride, devotion, fearlessness, vigor, passion, and royalty. Turtle, wisdom, patience, speed, endurance, fertility, longevity, protection, and peace. Turkey, gratification, generosity, connection, togetherness, hardworking, and wealth. Unicorn, magic, love, faith, vision, innocence, purity, gentleness, and grace. Wolf, protection, partnership, loyalty, compassion, spirituality, togetherness, and power. Whale o ballena, wisdom, power, strength, self-reliance, protection, bravery, and ancestry. Woodpecker, intelligence, healing, unique, connection, revelation, and perception. Ngayon na nailahad ko na ang ilang katangian ng spirit animals na maaari din tayong nakaka-associate at nabibigyan ng guidance sa ating mga damdamin, iniisip at ikinikilos. Makakatulong ito sa atin upang makarating sa tamang direksyon na ating tinatahak sa paglalakbay sa buhay. May mga ilan pang katangian ang mga ito na hindi ko naisama at kayo ang mas makakaalam dahil sa inyong unique personal experiences sa kanila. So, yun na lamang po muna. Stay happy and optimistic mga ka-MB. Huwag masyadong papaapekto sa mga kaganapan sa kapaligiran. Ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat, enjoy your present moment. Be grateful and release everything that no longer serves you. Peace, love, and light. Thanks for watching.